Hey folks, I'm excited to be here today to talk to you about putting your struggles in real estate investing behind you. Believe me, I know the disappointments, driving through neighborhoods, knocking on doors, not knowing what to say, following up, doing research, making calls, putting in offers, not knowing what to put in the offer, and having very little success, which the majority of new investors, this happens, and they end up quitting. I'm here to say, don't quit. I found the answer. It's partnering with successful investors. I recently got my license, joined a broker who's been doing fix and flips for about 20 years, so he knows the importance of investing. And we have a network throughout the country in about 10 states where we partner with owners, and what we do is we put in businesses that make significant monthly cash flow, sometimes 3 to 4 times more than a traditional rental, whether it be an Airbnb, corporate housing, residential assisted living, shared housing, and we take over the management, so the owners don't have to be the landlords. They can just watch their property create generational wealth. And owners, sellers are loving what they're hearing when they see what we can do for them. And if you're an agent and you're working week to week, month to month for commissions, you can also grow your portfolio or start a portfolio and have cash flow, add to your commission income. And I'm very excited, something that we recently started as a nonprofit, where we're not just finding a home for those in need, which could be veterans, those aged out of the foster care system, or any group that has had struggles with anything in life. And we provide them with job and life skills, not just a roof over their head. And this is an amazing opportunity to help others and also make a great return. We found in North Las Vegas a city that has grant money for this, and they're wanting us to partner. We have several houses in that area. We're getting that up and running the next few months. So yeah, everyone, there's so many opportunities in real estate to build and grow your wealth and be able to achieve your dreams. So stay tuned for some of the videos to follow. If you like what you heard here today, give me a like, subscribe, and have a great day.